You don't need to be a Harvard student to study like one. They're not smarter than you. They use these for powerful techniques. The secret isn't about learning more, it's about learning smarter. If you've ever read but not remembered or studied but not improved, it's because your methods aren't working. Here's how Harvard learners absorb knowledge faster than 99% of people. 1. Active recall after reading. Close your book and recall key concepts. Force your brain to work. Finish a chapter. Write down 5 key questions and answer them from memory. Notes, no excuses. 2. The Feynman Technique to truly learn. Read to know, write to master. Teach to understand. Pick a topic and explain it in simple terms, as if teaching a 5-year-old. Refine until it's crystal clear. 3. The 50-tenths rule. No need to grind for hours. Study for 50 minutes, take a 10-minute break, and repeat. Make it count. No distractions. Keep your phone on airplane mode. Do 3 to 4 cycles for peak efficiency. Science proves this boosts focus and sharpens your brain over time. 4. Optimize your environment. Your brain associates places with habits. Find distraction-free zones, a dedicated study spot like a desk, library, or quiet open space. Keep it clean, quiet, and tech-free. Add white noise or classical music. Now you have the tools to conquer your studies. Yes, use them to make yourself and your parents proud. Instead of endlessly scrolling through blurry Instagram feeds, why not level up? Hit subscribe, drop a comment with your #1 study struggle, and let's crush it together.